So Elon Musk is moving fast, and he has just locked in a new partnership. And here's what's going on with the new partnership. Elon Musk's Terafab project just locked up a massive new partner just weeks after the project was announced by Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI, the three companies that will be directly benefiting from it. And this is what happened. In a landmark announcement on April 7, Intel joined Elon Musk's Terafab project as a key partner alongside Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI. Now, the collaboration focuses on refactoring silicon fabrication technology to deliver ultra-high performance chips at unprecedented scale. Now, Intel CEO Lip Bhutan hosted Musk at Intel facilities the prior weekend, underscoring the partnership momentum with a public handshake. Terafab, first revealed by Elon Musk in March, is a massive joint venture semiconductor complex planned for the North Campus of Giga Texas in Austin. It is valued at about $20 to $25 billion. Now, listen to this. It aims to consolidate the entire chip-making pipeline, design, fabrication, memory production, and advanced packaging in a single location. It should eliminate a majority of Tesla's dependence on third-party chip fab companies. The facility will manufacture two primary chip types: energy-efficient edge inference processors optimized for Tesla's full self-driving FSD systems, cybercab, and robotaxis. And of course, the Optimus human robot, and also high-power radiation-hardened variants for SpaceX satellites and xAI's orbital data centers. And why would this be important? Well, the project's audacious goal is to produce 1 terawatt of annual compute capacity, roughly 50 times current global AI chip output. Production is expected to begin modestly and scale rapidly, addressing Elon Musk's warning that chip supply could soon become the biggest constraint on Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI's growth. But it eliminates supply chain bottlenecks and accelerates iterations for AI training, inference at the edge, and space-based computing. Intel's participation is strategically vital. The company will contribute expertise in advanced process technology, high volume fabrication, and packaging to help Terafab achieve its aggressive targets. However, the deal strengthens its foundry business and positions it as a critical US player in the AI hardware race. For Elon's ecosystem, it secures domestic purpose-built silicon at a time when global capacity meets only a fraction of projected demands for hundreds of millions of robots and orbital AI infrastructure. We also have to realize that whoever has the supplies will be the one winning. Now, this is the latest chapter in Intel Tesla ties. In November 2025, Musk publicly stated at Tesla's shareholder meeting that partnering with Intel on AI5 chips was worth having discussions, amid concerns about TSMC and Samsung's capacity. Of course, exploratory talks followed with Intel eyeing custom AI opportunities. And why should we care? Well, because the Terafab integration transforms those conversations into concrete collaboration. The Intel Terafab alliance carries broader implications. It bolsters US semiconductor sovereignty, drives innovation in cost and power efficient AI silicon, and supports Musk's vision of exponential progress in autonomy, robotics, and space. Also, take note that as AI compute demand surges, this partnership could reshape the industry, delivering the silicon backbone for the new era of intelligent machines on Earth and beyond. And here are the key takeaways. Intel said on Tuesday that it is joining Elon Musk's Terafab project with SpaceX, xAI, and Tesla. The agreement adds to a string of recent deals for the chip maker. Intel has another deal to add to its recent events. The latest will have the chip maker join Elon Musk's Terafab project alongside SpaceX and xAI and Tesla to design, fabricate, and package chips that will be helping to power the company's AI ambition. And therefore, shares of Intel finished 4% higher Tuesday following the news, adding to the stock's recent rally. And Tesla shares slipped about 2%. Broader markets finished the day mixed, making small moves by the close amid worries about the escalating war in Iran. Now, why would this be significant? Well, the Terafab partnership could represent a step towards for Intel, which has struggled to win new customers for its manufacturing business. The agreement marks the latest in a string of high-profile deals for Intel in recent months, including one with leading AI chip designer NVIDIA after the US government took a stake in the struggling chipmaker last year. Reports also suggest that agreements with former client Apple, Alphabet's Google, and Amazon could soon follow, along with the expanded partnership with NVIDIA. Now, for Elon's companies, having Intel on board could help speed up and lend more experience in chip making to the project, along with potential political goodwill. Also, earlier this month, Morgan Stanley analyst had called the Terafab a Herculean task, and even under an aggressive scenario, might not be ready to start production of chips until 2028. Now, Elon Musk has announced the launch of a massive semiconductor project in Austin, Texas, just in case you didn't know, dubbed Terafab, aimed at internalizing the chip production for the expanding ecosystem of AI, robotics, and aerospace ventures. The facility, which will be jointly operated by Tesla and SpaceX, and it is designed to bypass what Musk calls a sluggish global semiconductor industry, unable to meet his aggressive scaling requirements. And this is about vertical integration and industrial scaling. The Terafab initiative marks a significant move towards total vertical integration as Musk seeks to insulate his companies from the supply volatility of the broader chip market. However, Tesla currently maintains suppliers relationships with Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing and Micron Technology. And the new Austin Advanced Technology Fab is intended to produce higher specification 2 nanometer chips. The strategy focuses on two distinct hardware paths: an edge inference chip optimized for Optimus robots and the robotaxi fleet, and a high-power variant designed for SpaceX and its subsidiary xAI. The announcement aligns with a broader consolidation of Musk's technical assets following the February acquisition of xAI by SpaceX. But what is it all about? By developing proprietary silicon, the group aims to lower the break-even point for large-scale AI deployment while ensuring that the specialized needs for orbital data centers, which requires radiation-hardened high-power performance, are met without reliance on external roadmaps. What about space-based infrastructure and capital requirements? Now, the project serves as a foundational component of a more ambitious plan to move complex computing into orbit. SpaceX has already petitioned the Federal Communications Commission for licensing to launch a massive network of data center satellites, with the capital for these ventures expected to be secured through a record-setting $50 billion IPO later this year. However, the facility's output will be essential for the mini AI satellites, which are projected to scale from 100 kilowatts to a megawatt range as the orbital network matures. The ambitious timeline for Terafab comes at a time when Tesla is deepening its technical ties with xAI, including a $2 billion investment and the integration of the Grok chatbot into its vehicle lineup. And that's why the plan remains early and without a defined timeline, highlighting both the ambitions and execution risks. Now, semiconductor fabs typically take years to become operational and require tens of billions of dollars, and Musk has previously indicated the effort would begin at a smaller scale before expanding. However, Tesla continues to rely on existing partners, including Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing and Micron Technology, alongside an agreement with Samsung near Austin. But Musk indicated that the relationships may not fully meet future demands. Now, the Terafab is expected to eventually target advanced nodes such as 2 nanometer chips and support large-scale compute output, including 100 to 200 gigawatts annually on Earth, with additional ambitions tied to space-based systems. But that broader strategy extends beyond Earth. And it's interesting that he outlined a vision for AI data center satellites, including a prototype with 100 kilowatts of capacity and future versions that could reach megawatt levels. Funding this effort may connect to SpaceX's planned IPO, which is expected to raise as much as $50 billion and could value the company at more than $1.75 trillion, pointing to a broader push to integrate AI infrastructure across Musk's companies. Why would this win the AI race? Well, alignment with Tesla's AI infrastructure expansion. Musk teased the Terafab project launch last week, marking a significant milestone in Tesla's AI infrastructure expansion. Now, the initiative aligns with Musk's vision for autonomous technology and the development of AGI, positioning Tesla as a leader in AI-driven innovation. Musk's confidence in SpaceX's AI capabilities highlights the company's potential to outpace competitors in the AI race, emphasizing the importance of AI integration for future success. Now, the Terafab project has implications for both terrestrial and extraterrestrial applications. Now, the question today would be, do you believe that Elon can achieve his goal in power supply? Also, how long do you think it'll take until Tesla and SpaceX can mass produce their own chips? Well, I hope you like this video, and if you would like to see about a SpaceX satellite phone, you could watch this next. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Claudia, and goodbye.